Let me take you through the journey of Sakala. One act, many reforms. Next 5 minutes will show the governance challenges, strategies, outcomes and replicability of the innovation led by Department of Administrative Reforms, Government of Karnataka, which caters to all 62 million residents who have been now empowered for availing time-bound services with the overwhelming support of both political leadership and employees. Citizens have themselves given this initiative the name, logo and slogan. The name Sakala in Kannada means in time or good time. Our slogan is no more delays, we deliver in time, else the hammer of justice strikes on the defaulters. What triggered the need for this initiative? It was a very common incident of an old widow seeking pension and a handicapped person asking for a disability certificate, travelling as far as 500 kilometers to the Chief Minister's Janta Darshan. The uncommon response of the CM to this situation was that this should not happen in future. This was the birth of Sakala. We found that the employees' insensitivity and the absence of monitoring mechanism for service delivery were mainly responsible for citizens' grievances. Our strategic solution ensured convergence of all departments into a single electronic platform. Accountability and traceability was ensured through a computerized acknowledgement receipt for every citizen, recording the due date of delivery. Presently, 47 departments with 478 services are on board. Secondly, we followed Government of India's Sevottam model to make the employees decide the standards of service delivery through a bottom-up approach. Thirdly, our Employees Association joined the capacity building exercise to change the bureaucratic mindset into a service mentality. Finally, we imbibed most of the recommendations of the Second Administrative Reforms Commission to transform governance. Focusing on the business of service delivery, we appreciate citizen as our esteemed customer. In effectively reaching out to the citizens, the Sakala help desks and call centers have been designed to assist and empower the common man to obtain hassle-free service. The animation shows how each of the 40,000 offices have put up the service-related boards at Sakala counters as mandated under the Act. The citizen's mobile number is taken for ensuring a two-way communication.
No more delays, we deliver on time. Sakala, Sakala, Sakala.
We deliver on time. Sakala. Now, citizens have a right for getting time-bound services from the government.
Today, 40 million applications have been delivered in time. There is a delay of 2%, wherein 332 citizens have claimed compensation so far. 50% of our services are delivered in less than half the stated time. The number of services offered have rapidly grown from 151 to 478. On the other hand, there is a consistent decline in both complaints and rejections. What made us accomplish this unique feat? Number 1, performance monitoring in public domain. Employees' services including in the Act. Healthy competition among districts. Regular phone-in by the Law Minister. Concurrent evaluation by IIM Bangalore and Chicago University. Proactive citizen feedback and continuous reforms. Some citizens who benefit from Sakala become Sakala Mitras and prompt us to simplify governance. For example, lifetime caste certificate, no affidavits, service anytime and anywhere, etc. are the reforms led by the people. Finally, Sakala is replicable. Standardization and process documentation has earned ISO 9001 certification. States like Orissa, Punjab, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, etc. are taking our consultancy apart from countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. The e-governance platform has been lauded both nationally and internationally. This can become a prototype for implementing the proposed Central Citizen Services Bill. Karnataka is all set to be 100% Sakala compliant. Thank you.